Hello creators! Today I want to show you how to do this amazing video where I made things invisible only with a stick on Filmora Go. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's jump into it. Okay, open the Filmora Go app, start a new project and import the first video file. Now find the position where the stick hits the ground. Then click on Effect, go to Sparks and search for the dust effect. Resize and position it. Then go to Sticker, choose one of the lightning stickers and import it to your timeline. Again, resize and position it. And now we have to find the position where we want to start to masking out. Here we want to split the video file. Go to Picture in Picture and import the empty video shot from the background. Resize it. Now add a keyframe, go to Mask, choose Bounce and position the mask on top of the stick. Now we're masking out the plant frame by frame. Next step is to import the second video file. Now we repeat all the masking steps on the second video file. Find the right position. Make a cut. Go to Picture in Picture. Import the empty video shot. Start masking out. This time we use the line instead of the bounce. And that's it. Now go to Export, choose your resolution and your FPS and export it. Now you can directly share it on your social media. And here the final result.